Now I will be discussing about another kind of FET that is called MOSFET. So when we talk about MOSFET, they have characteristics quite similar to those of JFETs, and they are quite useful than your JFETs. The MOSFETs can be classified into two different types, your depletion type and enhancement type. So N channel and P channel MOSFET are there, but other than that, there is one more classification, that is depletion and enhancement type. So depletion means your channel is there and you are destroying the channel. And enhancement means your channel is not there, you are actually creating the channel by applying the electric field on gate. So structure of your MOSFET is like this. So here you can see you are having a source, you are having a drain, and you are having gate, and body is also there, substrate. Okay, and channel is there. So here channel is already there. So we need to deplete it. So this is called depletion type MOSFET. So the drain and source connect to the N regions. These N type regions are connected by a N channel. So this N channel is connected to the gate via a thin insulating layer of silicon oxide. So your oxide is there. In case of your JFET, direct contact between your metal and your semiconductor is there. So that contact is the real problem. Sometimes it is not advisable because that contact might be ohmic or Schottky depending upon the material of metal. So N-type material lies on a P-type substrate. Here you can see this is your P-type substrate. So N-type material is there, and this is your substrate. So normally substrate is grounded. So we use this term that your MOSFET is a three-terminal device, but actually it is a four-terminal device. The four terminals are drain, gate, source, and bulk or substrate. So this is your depletion type MOSFET construction. So whenever we discuss any device in electronics, the first thing is its definition, its introduction. Second thing is construction, how your device actually looks like. What are the various components? What are the various labelings as far as your device is being concerned? So here you can see the basic MOSFET operation. We will be discussing about that. So it is having two modes. One is depletion mode, another is enhancement mode. So we will be discussing them one by one. So how it works, I will let you know. When this is gate, this is your P substrate, this is your channel. So when you put some negative potential on this, so this is nothing but a capacitance. A metal is there, your oxide is there, and other plate of the capacitance is there. So when you are applying a particular charge on the one side plate of the capacitance, other will have the opposite polarity. Other side will have the opposite polarity. So because of that polarity, what happens? The channel will be destroyed. So suppose you are putting negative potential here. What happens? This channel will be depleted. So that is why this is called depletion region. Other things remain same. So initially, if your gate source potential is zero, suppose this is zero, the channel is there, and you will apply certain potential on drain, positive potential. So under that, there will be electric field here. So in this electric field, what happens? The electrons from source will travel in this direction, and your current will be in the opposite direction to that of electron. So working is quite simple. Your tap is open, and source is there, and you're getting water at this particular point. So if you start closing your tap, what happens? The flow of water will be reduced. And when you completely tighten the tap valve, what happens? There will be no water available. So the working is quite simple. The thing is, instead of tap, now we are having a gate potential, gate here. So initially we apply zero potential here, so tap will be open. So if we now we are start putting some negative potential here, suppose negative 1 volt, then what happens? And the channel start destroyed or depleted. And at particular moment, what happens? Your complete channel will be depleted, and no matter whatever you apply on the drain, there will be no flow of electrons from source to drain, and there will be no current. So this is being depicted in this particular diagram. Here you can see when gate source potential is zero, you are getting a maximum current. Okay. So what happens? You are putting VGS is equal to -1. So because of that, as this is a depletion mode MOSFET, your channel will be depleted. And because of that, what happens? Your water flow is reduced, or here we are not dealing with water, we are dealing with the flow of electrons. So electron flow is reduced. So because of that, your current is reduced. So this current is for VGS equal to 0 when you are not applying anything on the gate. And when you are applying -1 on the gate, you are getting value like this. Also, what happens when your VG is equal to -2, you will note that your current level further decreases. And when you further decrease it to -3, it decreases further. And at a particular point, VGS is equal to VP is equal to -6 volts. There will be no flow of current. And that is called pinch off voltage and something like that, VG is off. So this is for your depletion region, depletion mode thing. The same thing is plotted into transfer curve. And here you will find out VGS is being ranged from 0 to -6. And for VGS equal to 0, you will find out you are having a maximum current. And for VGS is equal to -6, you will having the minimum current. So at VGS is equal to minus VP, what we are observing that your complete channel is being pinched off and there is no current flow in the system. So this is about your depletion mode thing. So the expression this you already know. So in this MOSFET, this operation is equally valid. And this is now enhancement type. So here you can see uh, when VGS is equal to +1, then your current will increase. So this particular portion is for your enhancement mode when you're operating your device in this particular region. Otherwise, your device is being operated in this particular region. When VGS is equal to positive, then your current will increase in this particular direction. So normally we use your enhancement type MOSFET, and we can always use this kind of MOSFET. So P channel depletion type MOSFET is there. So this is quite similar to N type, but now you are putting positive potential on the gate. So here you can see VG is equal to 0, you are having maximum current. And when you start increasing VGS, your current goes like this. Here you can see your current is actually getting into this particular direction. So when you're putting positive potential in case of your P channel depletion type MOSFET, what happens? Your current starts decreasing at a particular voltage. Your entire channel will be depleted and your voltage is off. So that's all as far as your MOSFET is being concerned. The symbol for MOSFETs are, this is your N channel. So here you can see arrow is going like that. And in this is called P channel, your arrow is going outside. And this is 4 terminals, drain, gate, source, and this is your substrate. And normally I have already discussed that substrate is not shown or not used. So we assume that it is a 3 terminal device, drain, gate, source for PMOS and MOS. So next comes your enhancement type MOSFET construction. How your enhancement type MOSFET actually looks like. So the construction of your enhancement type MOSFET is quite similar to depletion type MOSFET. The only difference is that there is no channel. So here you can see you are having a source, you are having a drain, you are having gate, but there is no channel. So that means if VGS is equal to 0, or if we consider the water analogy, your tap is closed. Tap is closed. Now you're supposed to open the tap. So when you open the tap, your water from the tank, that is source, comes to the drain, that is your bucket. So here also, when your tap is open slightly, you apply certain potential on the drain, and this will create electric field. And corresponding to this electric field, your electrons from source will be attracted towards this, and this will generate a current in this particular direction. So and this is the gate, and this is again an oxide layer, and this is your substrate. So the difference between your JFET, junction field effect transistor, and MOSFET is that in junction field effect transistor, your junction is directly connected to the semiconductor. But here we don't have direct connection. The gate is separated from your substrate by a insulating layer, and most oftenly this is silicon oxide. The N-type material lies on a P-type substrate that may be an digital terminal. So this is your substrate. So again, this is a 4-channel substrate. So the important features that can be taken from this discussion is that this is your enhancement type MOSFET. Here, no channel is there, and it is again a 4-channel, 4-terminal device. So we apply certain potential on gate, your channel will be created, and when channel is created, you apply certain potential on drain. So this will create an electric field. So electric field is created. Electrons from source will move towards this drain. And what happens? There will be flow of current that is in the opposite direction. So this is your enhancement type MOSFET operation and characteristics corresponding to that. So here you can see when your VGS is equal to 0, somewhere here, VGS is equal to this. So this is called threshold voltage. So as it is not like that you immediately apply a potential on the gate and your device start conducting. That is not the case. It will take some finite amount of voltage to create a channel. After that, your device starts conducting. So that is called threshold voltage. So here you can see that your threshold voltage is 2 volts. So when you apply 2 volts, after that, your device start giving some current. So you keep on increasing the gate potential, your channel will be created and your current starts increasing. So VDS remains fixed, but the only thing is the VDS provide you the electric field, but your gate source potential actually provides you potential so that it starts conducting or your channel is created. So this is being ranged from VGS equal to 2 to VGS is equal to +8. Below 2 volts, there is no channel formation, and there is no channel formation. There will be no flow of electrons, and there will be no conduction of carriers. So that is about enhancement type MOSFET. So why it is called enhancement type? Because by applying a potential on gate, you are actually enhancing the channel. On the other hand, when we talk about depletion, your channel is depleted. So there is no fundamental of your threshold voltage in your depletion type. But in enhancement type, there is this term called threshold voltage. So here you can see up to 2 volts, there is no drain current for a particular VGS. But below that, you will be having that particular value. So now the next thing that is of importance is some equations related to your transfer curve. So your drain current is proportional to K into VGS minus VT. So K is actually your constant. So it depends upon on current over VGS on minus threshold voltage of the device. And your VD set, that is the drain source voltage at saturated, that is being given by VGS minus VT. So whatever you apply at the gate minus threshold voltage. So if your device is operating less than that, then it is in linear region. And if this is drain source voltage is greater than this, then a device is in saturation region. So here you can see if you are putting your VDS is equal to 5 volts and your VGS is 6 volts. Here you can see then it is actually 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 4 volts. So that means when VDS is equal to VDS is equal to 5 volts, then your device is in saturated region. So when your device is in linear region, it keeps on increasing like that. And after that, it is giving you the constant output, and your device actually behaves as your what we can say constant current source. So again, you are having two regions here, linear region, and this is your saturation region. These are the formulas, and you should be aware of this. So these days, this is your P channel MOSFET, opposite to that. So here again, you can see your threshold voltage is negative 2 volts. So if you apply negative 2 volts, then only your channel will be created. Otherwise, your channel will not be created for any other value. So these are the symbols corresponding to your enhancement type MOSFET. So here you can see there is no channel. It is being splitted into this portion. So by applying a potential, your channel will be created. So thank you. Certain other things are included, not included in this presentation. The reason for that is the course is basic electronics. Otherwise, these days we are working for different other FETs. So one of them is FinFET. Then we also use these days immensely, and you might have heard this while you are talking with your computer operator and all. There's something called CMOS. So your mobile phone which you are using have transistors which are FinFETs. In computer, we normally use CMOS. So earlier we used CMOS, but now the things are getting smaller and smaller. More number of transistors are there. So we are using your FinFET. So the mobile phone you are using is having FinFET in that. So that's all for the day. So if you have any doubt, now forum is open to you and you can discuss with me.